Okay, you ready? Hey guys, we're back today with another video.
Skinny girls weak, them hoes don't compare. Junk in the trunk looking like 2 pairs. Woo, got me hotter than a sauna. Ass so fat, make me wanna thank your mama. Ass so fat, I think I need a lap dance. Ass so fat, about to pop out of them pants.
Today, my sister is showing us how to make her famous crack slaw. It's one of my favorite things that she makes. I don't know how to make it. She said it's super easy. So she's about to show us how to make it so I can make it when she don't feel like making it for me. Alright, so this dish is, low carb, it's keto friendly, Atkins friendly, and it's bomb. Yeah, so she's about to show us how she... Alright.
Check it out.
You still gotta make it when I ask you to make it.
As long as you make my crushed up salmon, we can switch.
Oh gosh.
Yes.
So you guys, this is what you need to make my sister's famous crack slaw. So there's some sriracha, sesame oil, low sodium soy sauce, coleslaw mix, ground turkey, adobo, sofrito, Tony Satchery, and we're also going to put some ginger in it. We forgot to leave it out the pan shot, but you'll of course see it when it goes into the dish.
You like mushrooms?
No. Alright, not a lot. The kids don't like it.
I know, that's the problem. Fuckers. I don't like shit.
And also, you guys, we're going to put a packet of sazon in it.
You gotta give it some color.
And that is sazon. Oh, that's both of them. That's the Nor and the sazon Goya.
This is how I was taught. And you gotta put...
That's not mine, that's your mom.
Ginger in there, but I don't like ginger, so
we're gonna put like a little smidge of ginger in there. First step, we're gonna start browning this ground turkey.
I usually use my hand, but I'm just not in the mood. I don't want the blood, and I don't want to be going back and forth.
You look good?
Stop harassing your uncle.
Christian, your aunt's filming, even though she's gonna copy us, take us out when she asks.
You already know. I ate it hard when I film with y'all motherfuckers. Shit. That is the sofrito. But it's green sofrito. That's like recaito. So don't use red sofrito. If you're making this and you're buying frozen sofrito, use the recaito.
From what I understand, between the green and the red, it's just because the red,
it's the
they
tomatoes
have
and the
tomatoes
peppers. Use the recaito. Don't use the red sofrito.
Like if I used only red peppers, then my sofrito would be red. But I was taught green. I don't put tomatoes
That's
in my
why
sofrito.
I prefer green recaito. So that is the sazon. Some adobo.
Not too much. 2 plus is more. And I
A
like
little Tony's.
And that's it.
And then we're going to go ahead and brown this meat. That smells bomb.
Oh, so you want to do the barbecue at your house?
Yeah, let me know.
Okay, so let's do it. You cook. I just
gotta
come to
reserve
eat.
it.
So go ahead and do it.
Nigga, yo, we gonna cook. I always help cook every time we do something.
Heifer, I'm working the day before and the day after.
Okay, so bring meat for the grill. And I'll do the sides and the chicken and stuff.
Yeah, the meat is the most expensive.
Bring burgers, hot dogs, and I'll do chicken, ribs, and some sides.
Well, let me see if I can find it, because everything is fucking, you can't get anything now.
Okay, you guys, so right now we're draining the grease out of the meat. So I'm trying not to get in her way. This pan is hot.
I don't know, I just burned
So that's what. Oh, be careful.
Oh, no, God, but...
We're draining the grease out. Ooh, you got that fire up high, girl.
Yeah, I just turned it down.
So right now we're about to add in the cabbage. You do the whole bag?
Yeah.
So what's that? How many cups? 6?
Girl, you gonna have to hold on them.
So we're adding in that whole bag of cabbage. And that's the tri-cabbage blend. It's green, red, and shredded carrot. So you guys, this is a 32-ounce, 2-pound bag of the cabbage blend. That smells so good. So as you know, cabbage cooks down a lot. And cabbage cooks super fast.
Just like spinach.
So we're going to season this up. That is the sesame oil.
I don't put too much.
Sesame oil has super strong flavor. You can't overdo it. That's the low sodium soy. Yeah, this is one of my favorite dishes she makes. And it's good for you. Totally keto.
It's already starting to cook down.
Yeah, already, definitely.
Alright, I do slowly. Same pan as the turkey, so it has that flavoring.
Yeah, you're getting all those nice turkey drippings in there.
And the brown parts, brown part.
See, that's cooking down nicely. That smells so good.
A little more extra soy sauce.
Okay, so a little more soy sauce.
I don't like too much, that's why I use low sodium. A little bit of sriracha.
Now some sriracha. Oh, I'm sorry, go ahead, tall girl. My bad.
No, go ahead, you handle it. You talk. I just do. Just keep it on my hands.
Now she's gonna add in some sriracha.
Less is more because these people can't handle heat. Add to taste.
That smells so good.
Oh,
What happened?
I was about to fling it at the wall. I had a monkey moment. See? I can smell the sriracha now. Ooh, I can taste the sriracha.
I love sriracha. It's so garlicky. So now we're going to add the meat back in.
Get the grease separate.
And it's been totally drained.
Yeah. Because you got the toasted sesame oil.
This is a totally simple, this is a super simple yet bomb recipe. If you're trying to do keto, low carb, this is so good. And if you're not trying to do keto or low carb, make this and put it over some rice.
I don't even think you need it over rice.
I like it like that, but
I like
some
it like
people,
this.
some people have to have a starch with their food. So make this, put this over some rice.
Some fried rice if you're going to do rice. And that's it.
And that is it, you guys. We're going to go ahead and plate this up. Yo, it smells so good.